Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT. As you all know, I've been talking about ChatGPT in this video for since beginning of this year. Okay, so you can watch others of my videos, but the purpose of this video today is how to make ChatGPT your virtual assistant. Okay, are you thinking of hiring a virtual assistant on Fiverr or Upwork? You don't need to hire anybody. ChatGPT is going to do it for you. Okay, so without any further ado, let us dive straight to the main tutorials for today. You all know ChatGPT has actually been going viral, and at this stage, if you're not using ChatGPT, I don't know what you're looking at, so I don't know if I should say maybe you are sleeping on the technology of the world, because in years to come, or maybe in 2024, or maybe in the future, right? Let me think to the future, right? Or what should I say? Yeah, in the future, let's talk about the future. Transformation, digital transformation is going to turn the world to the AI system. And if you're not making use of this AI right now, which is actually free, if they turn it to a paid one or make it a compulsory paid one, what are you going to do? So now that is a free tool for us, why not let's utilize it well and use it to make money? Okay? And don't say you're broke in 2023. The world is going digital. We don't even know what's going to happen next year. We don't know where this technology is taking us to in 2024 or 2025. We don't know, but everything is in the hands of God, right? So without any further ado, ChatGPT is going to be your virtual assistant. Are you asking me, how can ChatGPT be an assistant to me? Maybe I would just type, or how will I use it? Number one, you need to first of all sign up for ChatGPT. I've done several videos on ChatGPTs on this channel, so watch it out. So now let me give you the definition of virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is basically someone that helps you with your administrative work, like typing, sending emails, data listing, everything virtually. And even social media, your social media post, right? Everything your virtual assistant does it for you online. It's called virtual because the person is not in the office. The person also, to be a virtual assistant, you only need a laptop and a very good internet. Okay. Number one point, as ChatGPT is going to turn you into a virtual assistant, is ChatGPT can help you to write your email address. Okay. A lot of us, we don't know how to compose all these letters. We don't even know how to write very well. Like if I say write, I mean good language or good English, good written language. Okay. So for you to have a compelling write up in your emails, or the person you're sending it to understand it better, ChatGPT is here for you. ChatGPT is your helpline. Okay. So let me show you how to go about it. First and foremost, I'm going to ask ChatGPT that it should write to you, what type of emails can you write for me? Okay, and you're going to click on enter. We have the formal emails, informal email, marketing emails, newsletter email, follow-up email, job application email, thank you emails, apologies email. So as you can see, ChatGPT is going to help us with all these write-ups. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write me an email pitching my digital marketing services to a potential client. Make it short and friendly. If you don't know, I'm a satisfied digital marketer. So if you need any of my services, you can reach out to me or book a one-on-one section using everything is in my description box, and you can also sign up for our newsletter, our daily newsletter. Okay, the link are also in the description, and also is going to be pinned in the comment section. Thank you. So I'm going to say enter with this. I hope this email finds you well. I came across your company and was impressed with the work that you do. As a digital marketing specialist, I believe I can help you take. Yeah, I can I understand that every business is unique, which is why I will work closely with you to develop a customized digital marketing strategy that meets your specific needs and goals. I would keep you I'll keep you informed every step of the way and provide regular reports so you can see the progress we are going. If you are interested in learning more about my services, do not hesitate to get in touch. Would be more happy to help schedule a call or meeting to meet how I can help your business grow. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. So that's what ChatGPT said. This is so easy. Then you send the email as a virtual assistant. My number 2 point is content marketing. As we all know, to create content is not easy. To get content ideas is not easy. Okay, especially sometimes we run out of topics, and you'll be thinking, how can I get a topic for my YouTube channel? How can I get a topic for my Instagram or any social account to give values to? You can come to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. ChatGPT is your personal assistant, you know. So, and ChatGPT is also your virtual assistant. ChatGPT is everything for you in your business. Okay, so you just come to ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT some questions. If you can see on my YouTube short, I'm doing some series on email marketing. Okay, how to use email marketing for your business. I'm doing it in a short video, so you can watch it. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me something, and you will see it now. You see the magic ChatGPT is going to render to me. So you're going to tell ChatGPT to generate a list of potential ideas I could use for content marketing for my email marketing series. So it's giving us some ideas to use: webinar, user generated content. So as you can see, it has given me some ideas to use for my content marketing. Okay. So now I told ChatGPT to generate a potential tips or advice on how to sell t-shirt merch using email marketing. So I'm going to click on enter. Certainly, here are some potential tips: build a budget target email list, use a compelling subject line, showcase your merchandise, offer exclusive deals, personalize your email, use social proof, keep keep it mobile friendly, monitor your results. Okay, so ChatGPT just give me that. If you want to start a business and you're thinking of, oh, I don't know how to go about this business, just come to ChatGPT. It's going to give you the answer. ChatGPT can actually help you with a blog. It can actually help you with some titles, some videos titles you will want to get for yourself, and it can help you to write an article. I'm not going to be joining into that right now because there are some videos, I've done videos on it on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it. ChatGPT can help you with your articles. It can help you with everything, even to get started with a blog. It can help you to start your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so ChatGPT has made life easy for us. Let's try to dive into the lifestyle of ChatGPT so that in the process of taking care of our family, okay, we can also maintain our mental health and also run our business. Okay, so let's make ChatGPT a lifestyle. Okay, if you get it, you give my video a like. ChatGPT can also help you with your client's work. Okay, no matter any job your client gives you and you're finding it difficult, you can go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT is going to answer all your questions. Okay, let's make ChatGPT a lifestyle for our business. Okay, and also you can also use ChatGPT for your branding, for your email marketing agency. Excuse me. ChatGPT can also mentor you, it can coach you, and it can give you the necessary advice that you need. Okay, I hope you gained something from this video. In as much that ChatGPT sometimes can give you some wrong answers, but if you tweak or you redirect your answers or your questions properly, you're going to get the accurate answers. So if you're asking ChatGPT anything, you need to be precise with your answer with your questions, okay, so that it can answer you appropriately. Okay, So I hope you're gaining something from this video. Thank you for watching up to this moment, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, I need you to like this video so that YouTube will recognize my channel, because the more you like, the more they will push my video out, and that will also encourage me that I'm giving you the right content. Okay, thank you. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you got value from it. Okay, and subscribe for my newsletter. The link will be in the comment section and in the description box, and let's get to know each other. Get my daily newsletter. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive main. Without any further ado, let us dive straight to the main tutorials for today.